In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Click OK. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and then go into Tap menu. Following that, you need to edit your shortcuts thanks to this pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down, hold your shortcut and drag it to the current ones. After a Caffeine shortcut was successfully moved to your currently used ones, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!